Welcome fellas of this new video of TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you the very easy way how to use this great application called Doba Dropshipping. So this is, for example, if you're a dropshipper using platforms like the Shopify or eBay, managing thousands of suppliers and manually updating inventory. It's just a nightmare, but Doba solves this by acting as a powerful middleman. So Doba is basically a platform that aggregates thousands of suppliers into one clean interface. This means you can find products, you can manage real-time inventory updates, and automate fulfillment all from a single dashboard. So let's see what we can do to get started. First of all, let's start with the account setup and the store integration. So if you are directly here into Doba, the first thing you want to do is to open a new tab. I'm going to go directly inside just a new private mode to show you how we can do this process really fast. I'm going to type the word doba.com, and inside here what you want to do is to look out for the option that says get started. Here what you can do is to claim a free webinar ticket they're going to be offering in this moment. So the first thing is just to open an email, close a passcode, you have the first, the last name, go with your business phone, and just click that you agree to the terms and conditions and hit into the option that says register now. Once you have your actual account already been created, you can now get started and check out where you can actually get started with your pricings, or let's say for example the different plans that the Doba has to offer. And once we are directly inside Doba.com, what I want to do now is to connect Doba directly with Shopify. So the first way is to go directly inside your server. In my case, I'm going to go for the authorization process, which is Shopify. Here, what I want to do is to look out for the left section that says applications. And here, I'm going to try to look out for the word Doba and search Doba in the Shopify App Store. Here is going to be leading us into the Shopify App Store where we can find tons of applications. In this case, you want to look for the one that says Doba AI Dropshipping. The developer should be Doba Dropship, so hit into the option that says install. Once you have now hit it into the option that says install, this will be sending us directly into the install application. So then what I want to do is to hit into the option that says install. Just like that, the application should be now installed directly inside my Shopify. So in my case, let's say that I choose the Shopify, hit for open once again. So my store has now been correctly connected. You can see that we have the title, the time date, to set the product as a taxable. Here's the default vendor. You can change Doba for the name of your store and hit for save the settings. In my case, I wanted to update the store inventory automatically and set the store inventory as 0. And the other rules, I wanted to sync the tracking numbers to my store automatically, enable the initial pricing rules, and we are good to go. I am just going to be focusing only for the United States, but you can ship to more countries if you wanted to. Just like that, we are now inside Doba. The next thing to do, of course, is now to focus into finding the winning products. So the most important part is finding products, right? So we wanted to use the filters to narrow down your search. We can filter by category, crucially filter by shipping locations, and so much more. So what I want to do now is to hit into this option that says find a product, click into find. Inside click into find, we are now inside the dashboard. What we can do is to now filter this. For example, let's say that I wanted to be focusing for pet supplies, and click in here. Now here have more supplies that we can look for. So when you find a product, you want to look closely to the product page. So let's click, for example, to this blog ramp. So Doba conveniently shows you the supplier price versus the potential retail prices, helping you quickly calculate your profit margin. So basically what I need to do, of course, is to always check the supplier inventory level, which in my case, we can find it directly in here. Now I have inventory shipped from the United States. Here's the warehouse, here's the shipping, more processing times. And if you are okay what you're actually seeing, then just click into the option that says list to the store. I'm going to click here, choose a store to list, which in my case should be the Shopify Milk, and hit for the option that says continue. Once your product is now been finalized, it's time to push them directly into the storefront. Here I'm going to be changing the product title because this one is actually too big. So let's go and focus only for dog ramp folding like this. And I'm going to just delete the other size. Into the product tags, you can, let's say, for example, focused for dog. Then into the description, what you can do is to change this. You can set your final retail price directly into the variance. So this is the actual Doba price, the shipping cost. You can include the shipping cost here in this actual price and the compared price. So this is the actual amount that you're going to be appearing into your store. So your profit margin for this product is $10. If you're just getting started with this kind of products, I can strongly suggest you to try to make this a little bit less, so we can start to earn, let's say, for example, more chances to make more sales. So once exported, what you wanted to do now is that the product appears into the Shopify store. The best part is that the Doba integration ensures your product store stock levels are automatically updated in real time. So if the supplier runs out, your store reflects this instantly. So into your order tab, you only needed to pay for the wholesale cost to the supplier via Doba. So once the payment is confirmed, Doba takes over. So the supplier packages and ships the product directly to your customer. Once the supplier uploads the tracking number, Doba automatically sends the tracking number back to the Shopify store, completing the fulfillment loop. And you can look all of this directly here into the orders, the store orders. And there we go. So Doba streamlines dropshipping by centralizing suppliers, automating inventory updates, and handling all trackings and fulfillment updates. So what niche are you going to start searching into Doba first? Let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so you can see more about dropshipping with Shopify and more elements. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys. See you next time.